Joe Beermaster. I have a 2015 Ford Fusion. This goes for multiple years. I'm going to show you how to take the tail light out to change a bulb. And we're also going to show the one on the deck lid. This is going to be a super quick video. So basically you have to open the trunk. This is for the OuterTail light. Once you get the trunk open, you take these two screws out here. They're 10mm screws. Then you want to pull and wiggle the light. Now we already have this one out here. So once you wiggle it out, there's a wire here that connects the harness. And there's the other end. So if you want to disconnect that and take the whole assembly out, this will be connected to the piece on the light. And you press that little black button where my thumb is and then pull. And that's how that comes out. So this is an LED setup. These are LED lights. These do not have individual bulbs. It's an LED, so it works all on one circuit. There's no bulbs to change, so you would have to replace the whole assembly. So that's it. You take those two bolts out. There's a little grommet that holds it in also, right there. So once you get those two bolts out, you want to pull it outward to get it out of that grommet and slide it back. So this one's pretty simple, no bulbs to change. And then on this, the deck lid, you have to take the trim panel down that's in here. There's little clips that hold it in. Like I said, this is going to be a quickie. I'm not going to show you exactly. And once you get that off, I'm going to show you the light. The light's got, again, pin. No, it's got three little nuts, and you access them from the inside here, and you unbolt them. I don't know what size they are. They might be a 7mm or a 10. No, these are 10s. These are going to look like this here, but they're 10mm also. And also no bulbs. You got to just disconnect the harness. Right there. Here's the other end. Again, you push down on that gray spot right there and pull, and it will. There's the gray spot. A little pushing. You pull them apart and you would replace it. No bulbs to change. So that's a quick video. Work was in process, so I didn't show you from start to finish, but I hope it helped. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Joe Beermaster. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.